We've been looking at geometry and we've been spending a lot of our time looking at angles. There are other properties of these two-dimensional shapes that are definitely worthy of looking at, and I'm sure you'll be asked questions about them in the exam. And these are about lines of symmetry. So, what is a line of symmetry? Well, a shape has a line of symmetry when it can be folded and the folded part sits perfectly on top with all its edges matching. So for instance, let's have a look at this shape here. It's a funny shape here. And you can see that that if you were to fold it this way, so this went over there, then obviously it wouldn't fit perfectly. If we were to try to fold it that way, you can see that this part here is very different from this part here. If we try to fold it that way, again, this part here is different from here. But look, if we folded it down the middle, then this part would match up with that part perfectly. So this is a line of symmetry. And these are not, these three. So there's various shapes that have lines of symmetry. So this sort of diamondy shape, you can see the line of symmetry there. So that bit aligns with that perfectly when folded over. Another shape here, this is a line of symmetry. I made a slight mistake and I knocked off this, but there is a bit down there. So technically it doesn't look like a line of symmetry, but take it from me it is. I've just missed this out. This shape here, this is a line of symmetry. You can see that this bit here matches this bit here perfectly. And then here's another line of symmetry. So lines of symmetry are very much important features in any two-dimensional shape. So let's have a closer look at them. Lines of symmetry in regular polygons. So a square is a regular polygon. So this is where each of these sides is of equal length. And this shape, the square, it has 4 lines of symmetry and 4 sides as well. So you can fold it this way, and this side will fall neatly onto that. You can fold it that way, and this side folds neatly onto that. And if you were to fold it that way, similarly that side equal. And if you were to fold it that way, then these sides would be equal. So this has 4 lines of symmetry. If we look at a regular pentagon, we can see that this is 5 sides, this pentagon. I think this word is supposed to be pentagon, not polygon, but anyway, if you take from me, this is a pentagon. It has 5 sides and 5 lines of symmetry. So you can fold it that way, that way, that way, all these ways you can fold it. And it comes to 5 different ways that you can fold this. And one sort of rule is that the number of lines of symmetry in a regular, be sure it's a regular, because irregular doesn't follow this, polygon is equal to the number of sides. So this has 4 sides and 4 lines of symmetry. This has 5 sides and 5 sides of symmetry. Well, I'm not doing it very carefully here, but hopefully you know what I mean.